This question na from gas law also, and which law dey be this now? Boyle's law. But na Boyle's law wey explain say temperature dey constant, and na Charles law wey talk say pressure dey constant. Constant mean say the value no dey change, na so e dey. Now wetin I wan talk for here be say make I just explain the difference between Boyle's law and Charles law, so that you will have an idea of wetin I wan talk for here now. Now this Boyle's law says Robert Boyle, that's the man's name, say volume is inversely proportional to pressure provided temperature is constant. Boyle's law says volume is inversely proportional to pressure provided temperature is constant. Now wetin this sign of inversely mean? Inversely proportional, wetin this sign mean? If you look am very well, the sign mean say volume and pressure dey go opposite ways. Anything wey dey happen to volume, the opposite dey happen to pressure. Anything wey dey happen to pressure, the opposite dey happen to volume. Na so wey e dey. So dem no dey agree. If you do left, I do right. If you do right, I do left. Na so this inversely proportional sign, na so wey e dey. Now it means say if I double this volume, or if the volume is double, that is as you are going from V1 to V2, I discover say the volume is double. That is V1 fit be 2, V2 fit be 4. That is double of V1. So whenever V1 is doubled, whenever volume is doubled, pressure is halved. That is half over 2. So whenever pressure is doubled, volume is halved. That is the opposite. Now let's look at this question. The question says the volume of a given gas is VCm³ at P mmHg. What is the new volume of the gas if the pressure is reduced to half? Simple question. What is my V1 there? My V1 is VCm³. My P1 is P mmHg. Now they ask me what is the new volume. They ask me for my V2, which is the new volume, if the pressure is reduced to half. That is if P2 is half of P1. That is if P2 is half of P1. Now check this P1 now. What have you noticed? From P1 to P2, the pressure don't reduce by half. Of course, the volume should be doubled. That is this law, the Boyle's law. The volume should be doubled, which means double of V is 2V. No, double now times 2 as 2V. So my volume will be 2V Cm³. And that answer is D. You will think fast. Now so when you dey, if you no understand, ask me question.